Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Study Academy online classes. Myself Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss lesson 7 looping statement question and answer. Answer the following. Question first. Explain the term looping. Answer. Looping means repeated execution of a statement or a set of statement for fixed number of times. Looping means repeated execution of statement or set of statement for fixed number of time. Means you want to repeat your statement more 2 times, 3 times, means according to your fixed number of times, then you can use a looping statement. Do not write, suppose that you want to write 100 times, then you can type 100 times, not. You can use loop statement and your loop statement run up to 100, then your statement typed 100 times. Just like you give a print command and click a number of copy 100. Suppose that you want to 100 number of copy, then you choose number of copy 100. Then one page print out, print 100 times. So this is the loop command. You can better understand through this example. Second question, define the for next looping statement. The process of using multiple counters in a large program is very tedious. The process of repeating a program segment in a loop can be simplified and controlled by using for next statement. This also reduces the length of a program. Means for next looping statement is control all programs, simplified and reduce the length of program. This process is repeat according to your number of requirement and easy way to perform your program, your task. Here the syntax of for next for loop, for control variable, initial value to final value, give the statement and next control variable. This is the syntax of for next looping statement. Question number 3. What is the use of step statement in for next? Answer. Step statement is used to increase or decrease the value as per our choice in for next statement. Means through a step statement in for next looping statement, you can increase the value or decrease the value according to your requirement. So this is the very easy steps to use for next statement in step statement. For next looping statement, step statement, and step statement is used to increase or decrease the value of program, and according to our requirement you can increase. Step 1 means increase 1 and minus step 1 will decrease minus 1. Question number 4. What is nested loop? A nested loop is a loop within a loop. Nested loop is a loop within a loop, and inner loop within the body of an outer one. Then the second pass of the outer loop triggers the inner loop again. This repeats until the outer loop is finished. Means nested loop means one loop inside another loop is called the nested loop. In a programming language, outer loop and inner loop is called the nested loop. Question number 5. What is the difference between while, when and do until? While when statement is used when all loop has to be executed repeatedly while a given condition remains true. Means while when loop is statement is used when all loop has to be executed repeatedly when your condition is true, and even do until statement is used when loop has to be executed repeatedly while given condition remains false or becomes true. Means do until statement is run when your statement is false, then do until statement is run, and while when statement when your statement condition is true then while when statement is run. Question number 6. Which variable store the sum of numbers entered during the execution of a loop? Accumulate variable is store the sum of number entered during execution of a loop. Correct answer is accumulator variable. And see a question, which variable store the sum of numbers entered during the execution of a loop? The correct answer is accumulator variable. You can write in short form, accumulator variable is store the sum of number entered during execution of a loop. Question number 7. What is the function of goes-up statement? Goes-up statement enable you to jump to a certain position in a program. Means suppose that you can write a 10 line of a program and you want to move your cursor first line to 6 lines, then you can use goes-up statement. The labels are used to specify what point in the program to continue execution. Means through a goes-up statement you can easy way to move within a program. And goes-up statement is just like a go-to statement, but goes-up statement is come back, means return also. Means suppose that you want to jump your program first line to 6 line and you want to again move first line, then you can use goes-up statement. But if you want to use go-to statement, you can only jump, not a return previous position. So you can use goes-up statement to jump your steps in a particular program and also return a last position. So this is the function of goes-up statement. Question number 8. What is the difference between play and beep statement? Play statement and beep statement. Play statement, the command strings expression contains the note or list of notes enclosed in double quotation along with play statement. Play statement means when you write a double quotation, then these statements play. Beep statement, it produces the actual beep sound. Through PC, stereo speakers, beep sound can be placed anywhere in the program to alert the user that an error has occurred. Beep statement means produce a beep sound. When you are write any wrong program, yeah, you can have any mistakes, then beep statements inform you through beeping. You can easily to understand this one is the wrong and you can solve this problem or error and continue your work. This is the difference between play statement and beep statement. Thanks. Hopefully you understand all questions of this lesson. If you face any problem, call me. My number 8840156170. Thank you. Each and every students write on your copy and learn them.